Attempt number 1, you can see writing score 74, and others you can see all 79, 90 and 88. Attempt number 2, again you can see 82, 90, 90 and then again 78. Now check attempt number 3. Again 83, 85, 90 and 78, really frustrating. And finally you can see the number 4 attempt, 84, 84, 90 and 83. So if you see here, I was really struggling with the writing and my strategies were same all the time, and I was not sure why I'm lacking in writing. So let's talk about, for my last attempt, what I have changed. Did I change any strategy or I adopted a new strategy? So you can check in description, there is a one video with all the strategies I used which can help you. Okay, so let's talk about summarized written text. For this time in summarized written text, what I did, I considered half of the sentences instead full complete sentence from given paragraph, at least for one sentence. In earlier attempt, what I used to do, I used to copy a complete sentence, complete from starting till full stop, and not full stop, in summarized written text, and just added and was adding just at the end furthermore and moreover. But this time I considered half of the sentence where the meaning was complete. Second thing what I have changed, I avoided examples and considered sentences from all the paragraphs. In earlier attempts, what I used to do, I used to get all that 2-3 lines from the first paragraph itself. I used to join it and that's it. And this time what I did I specifically checked what is the example and where is the extra explanation of the same topic. I avoided those things and then just considered the sentence where so many keywords were available. You can check in description. I have prepared a video like how you can select the keywords, and summarized written text is also included there. The third thing what I've changed, I changed the order of few words in sentences. Like I remember there was some types of something and I changed the order. Like if type is A, B, C, I did B, A, C. Because what I believe, it is not really hard to write a code to check if candidate has written the same sentence from the paragraph. So they can easily check if you have used the same sentences from the paragraph and connected using connectors. So I had to try something else because I was getting 78 all the time. So I changed this. I used, at least I remember, for one sentence I used half of the sentence and rest I used complete sentences. So I think if you are also in the same situation, you have to change something, so you can try this. Let's talk about American and British spelling conventions. So this time I made sure to use same spelling convention for particular question as recommended by PTE, especially for listening fill in the blank, summarize spoken test and write from dictation. You can find a detailed video about it in the description. So American and British spelling convention means, like, you know, right, there are some differences in some spellings like colored, COLOR, COLOUR, or TRAVELING, traveling, or TRAVELLING. So if you are using those words in the same sentence and one word is you are following American and one word you are following British, so you may lose your marks. So please make sure for a particular question you use the same spelling convention. You can choose American or you can choose British, but make sure you are using same convention, especially for listening fill in the blanks, summarize spoken test and write from dictation. Because sometimes what happens in summarize spoken test, your template is having some American spelling, and while filling it you are putting some keyword as a British spelling, so there will be mismatch. So better to use the same convention. You can check the description for detailed video. Let's talk about write from dictation. That is the last part and very important question for your writing and of course for listening. So this time I made sure I get more time for right from dictation, so I saved around 6 minutes so that I can proofread properly and make sure all the spellings are correct. And also checked if there are any need of articles, especially the or and, because most of the time we miss those articles and lose marks, because in right from dictation you see like each word is a 1 mark. So if you are losing there, you may be losing marks for complete writing. So these things I have changed in my 78 to 83 journey for writing score, and it helped me. So if you are in the same boat and you are also struggling with the writing score, you can try these things and hopefully your score will improve. That's all for now. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks.